In this lesson, I will explain to you about stroke, fill and background commands. So first we will discuss the stroke command and what is the function of the stroke command. Here I have written that you can set the paintbrush color with stroke commands. Right? What we can do with the stroke command? We can set the paintbrush color. So the color range is between 0 to 255. 0 color means dark black and 255 means white, and here I have written for you as well, 0 for dark black and 255 for white. Whatever number you will use between these two, you will use 150, you will use 200, 175, and whatever, there will be a grayish shade, gray color. So far in this lesson we are between 0, black and white. This is for black, this is in white. In the next few lessons we will discuss other colors as well. So see stroke, and then in parenthesis I have mentioned 0. 0 means dark black, and here is, this is the inline comment, it means dark black. Here we are going to make a line, which we have discussed how to make a line. Line needs 4 parameters, and our canvas size is 500 by 600. So you will see there will be a line and the color of the line will be black. See, it starts, this is the 0 0, these are the x and y, so it should start from here, then 400 400. Similarly, if you want to see a white line, so you have to make it 255. 255 means, but here you have to change as well, it is white. The comment is that this is the white, and when we will run it, you will see the same line, but the color of the line will be white. Right now I said between these two numbers the shade will be grayish. So 150, now we are using 150. So see, this is grayish, this is not a dark black, not a white, so this one. Right, so in the first slide we have learned that 0 means dark black, 255 means white. If you use the numbers between these two, you will get a gray shade. Okay, next, move to the next slide. Here we are using the same stroke command, but we are making a rectangle. So in the comment I said draw a rectangle. This is the black outline. So as I have told you that the system will ignore the comments. I will copy. See, I will copy for you these two comments, but when we will run it, first I will make the canvas size again. This time I am going to make suppose 800. 800 and then parenthesis. Right, when we will run it, so you will see there will be a rectangle and the outline is black. Why black? Because it is 0. Now if you want to make it gray, make it suppose 170. Now see, this is gray. If you want to make it white outline, right, so you have to write down 255. Now next is stroke 255, means the outline will be 255. Fill color will be grayish. Right, same thing, but there is one extra thing, fill, because our lesson is stroke, fill and background. So stroke and now fill. Now what the fill function will do, I will write down for you here. Stroke and then run it. So the outline is white, right, and this is, it should be white here. Outline is white. If you want to make it black, make it 0. Fill function will fill the color inside the rectangle or triangle, whatever you want. And the third is rectangle. So order of commands matter. Always you have to write down stroke if you want to make some outline. If you want to fill a color, then fill and then rectangle. Right, now it is your job. Just write down fill here, erase from here and check what happens. delete this stroke from here, write down at the end, check what happens. This is your assignment. In this way you will learn more. Same thing, if you want to make it 150, try it 150 and run it, and you will see again the grayish, light grayish color. If you want the fill color 255, which is white, so you will see outline is also white and the fill color is also white. So you can change the number and play with it. Okay, and next is here stroke line, stroke line. Now you will see the pattern of these lines I have made for you. Copy this from here and we will run it of the canvas. So see, when we will run, what will happen? The stroke first line will be of black color, second line will be the white color. So see, when I will run this program, you will see. See, first line is black because this is order of commands matters. First is 0, black, this one, this line, it should start from 0, 0 and then 500, 500, and the second line is 255, which is white. Okay, if I will make it 500, then it will be more interesting, right? You will see this cross symbol. One line is white and one is black. Now suppose the third, right? You have learned stroke, you have learned fill, and the third one is the background. If you change the background of your canvas, so you have to use background. Here I am going to use 0, but it's up to you if you want to make it white or gray or whatever. So same thing, just I will add this background 0 to our canvas here, right? So the background of the canvas will be black. And where is the other line, right? So because this is 0, that is why we should change it. Where is the other line? The other line is also black color and the background is black as well. So just make it white, right? So you can see. So in this lesson, so far you have learned the stroke, right? Stroke function, fill function, and the background function. Background function will change the color of your canvas. Fill function will fill the color of whatever you are going to make, and stroke is the outline. Practice this, change the numbers, play with it. If you have any question, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.